Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to share with you 5 nature reserves in Cornwall we think you should visit. This is the first in this particular series, so be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future content. Parking, accessibility and other information will also be in the description box. Let's get to it. Firstly, we think you should visit Marazion Marsh. Marazion Marsh is just across the road from the stunning Marazion Beach. The marsh is Cornwall's largest reed bed. 250 bird, 500 insect and 18 mammal species call this place home. Whether you're an avid bird watcher or just looking for a stroll, this marsh has some lovely areas to walk and relax. There is no parking or facilities here, however it is only a short walk from the beach itself and the small village of Marazion, and therefore has plenty of facilities nearby, so why not make a day of it, go to the park. You could even go over to St Michael's Mount. Secondly, we think you should head over to Upton Towans. Upton Towans is near Gwythian, which is close to Hale and St Ives. Upton Towans is perfect for exploring, hiding and picnicking. This area is a must visit. We recently headed over here for a family picnic. It's a perfect spot to enjoy a sunny day. Towans actually means sand dunes in Cornish, therefore expect sandy walkways and hills and some grassy areas too. Upton Towans is home to many forms of wildlife, from toads, addids, lizards and rabbits. There are also masses of butterflies. It's home to a very rare silver-studded blue butterfly, so keep your eyes peeled for those little tiny wonders on your walk. At the entrance of the Towans you can also see the remains of the old National Explosives Works, which is part of Cornwall's mining heritage. Up next, we think you should visit Gosmore. It's an expansive flat valley at the edge of the River Fal. There's about 480 hectares to explore. You can walk, run, bike ride or go by horseback. It is mostly flat and therefore is also fine for mobility scooters and prams. There are a few areas where you have to open and shut gates, so if you are in a mobility scooter and not able to stand at all, you might need to bring someone with you for this walk. There is a mapped circular walk of 7 miles for those wanting to stay on the beaten track. It is the largest continuous mire complex in the southwest and contains areas of both dry and wet heathland, mire, fen and open water, making for a really diverse natural habitat and a lovely walk. Somewhere else we visited recently and absolutely loved was Argall Lake. It's located between Penryn and Mornsmith near to Falmouth, and it is a lake reservoir. The stunning lake is popular for fishing and is known for its abundance of carp. Someone has even found a 40-pound carp here in the past. The circular walk around the lake is 2 km and involves lakefront walking, woodlands and scenic trails. Depending which way you walk, at the start or the end of your walk you will also walk over the lake dam, which is a sight to behold. There are lovely wide areas alongside the lake, which is great for sitting for the day and fishing, playing or having a picnic. By the car park there's also a cafe and a large green space with children's play areas. Finally, we think you should visit Kennel Vale. Kennel Vale is a gorgeous nature reserve in Pontsynewth, which is in between Redroof and Penryn near Falmouth. Kennel Vale Nature Reserve is now an expansive woodland with trails, factory ruins and open quarries to explore. It's full of wildlife from birds to bats and bees. Explore the woodland walks and keep your eyes peeled for the river and waterfalls, old mill wheels and hidden ruins that are now slowly becoming overtaken by nature. Please don't forget we have visited all of these places. There will be individual vlogs of these on our channel. If you would like to see a bit more of each location, feel free to check those out. Let us know if you have visited any of these Cornish nature reserves. We will have another video up very soon with more recommendations of places to visit in Cornwall. Until then, please do like and subscribe as it helps to get our little channel seen. We appreciate all your support and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.